All right, guys, today we're going to be talking about this smart recess lighting that I received from the company. Now, this thing is great. We're going to be showing you how to install these things. We're going to throw the app up on the screen in a little while at the end, show you how I connected them to the lights and all that good stuff. So a whole bunch is going to be going on in this video. If you want to know how to do it all, just stay tuned. A whole bunch of different color themes to it, all kind of things. You're going to have your regular colors, you're going to have your bright colors, any kind of way. I'm going to show you all that in the end. But really nice. You're going to be able to use this with Alexa, tell it to play music and all that great stuff. So really nice set of lights, comes really nicely packaged in a nice box. We have here, this is a 4-pack. Now, you got 8 dynamic scenes. You have like a leisure, dazzling, night, and reading. You have good night, light, reading, working, leisure, ocean, sunflower, Greenland, and dazzling. So many more colors to it too. Like I said, this is the 4-pack. These are the 6-inch ones here. Let's get these things and kind of show you what they look like first, and then we're going to show you the rest of the stuff in the box. This is the 6-inch one here. Now all your little connector here is going to connect to your box in your ceiling. Now you will have to have a 6-inch hole, and you'll have to have enough room in there to put your little power box here up in that ceiling to hide it. But all these do, once you hook this to your power, you got you stick this in the ceiling, you get this hooked to your power. All you have to do is plug the light into this jack and they work perfectly fine. You have some little smart connectors here. All you're going to have to do is push them down, push your wire in. They're going to be ready to go like that. Like I say, everything is going to be app adjusted. You can change everything with your app. You'll never have to go back in the ceiling and switch anything on a box. A lot of these things have switches on these boxes. You have to go change them if you want to change the light colors and fixtures. So everything will be working in the app, which will make it super easy. So let's install these things and show y'all how they look. All right, guys, we got the light installed. We're going to show you at the end the installation, but kind of want to go over the features with the app here to show you what this light does and how it works. Now you're going to want to download the Smart Life app. And then you're going to want to, once you get your light switch on, it's going to go into pairing mode. It'll find your light, and then you click on your light. And then you're going to come over here. You're going to have your regular white to warm lighting. You can drag it as the color you want it, kind of dimming it. Or you can come up here and add the colors that you want with dragging it. And that way all you have to do is just hit it. And like that, and it's going to be right there. You can drag this for your brightness, dimming it down. And then you can come over here to your color and do the same thing. I have all these saved. You can drag your color to change it, or you can save them and do like that. Change all your colors. You also can dim them just like that. And then you can go here and it's going to have all your scenes, which is going to kind of dance around the lights that you have saved. You have so many different kinds, sunflower and all that, dazzling. Then you can come over here to the music emblem. You can hit different ones. And when you're playing music, it's going to dance the colors that you have saved to the beat of the music, which is really cool. So we're going to go over here. You got schedule, do not disturb, and default lighting. You can also come up here. And if you have Alexa or Google Assistant, you can connect the Wi-Fi and use that to talk to Alexa and tell her to do whatever you want to do to the light. So that's all really neat. We're going to back out and go back to the beginning here to the light. You can also cut the light off and on with the app. There it goes off, and you can cut it back on. So that's really cool. Highly recommend it. It's done really great. So we're going to show you the installation process and kind of how I put it up. All right, guys, got my box here, got the wire running in there. You have a little connector. All you do is slide the wire in. You flip a little switch up, flip the switch down to lock the wire in place. Then you close your box up, you get your light, hook it up. You pull these levers back and pop your light in, and that's it.